Only a few people following the basketball sport have not come across the super talented Kyrie Irving. Kyrie Irving is one of the best basketball players in the NBA. However, his career in the last few years have been marred by one controversy or the other. From his refusal to take COVID-19 shots to his recent promotion of anti-Semitic content, Kyrie Irving has gone down from that talented Cleveland star to a controversial figure. In this video, we are going to look at the fall of Kyrie Irving. If you are new to this channel, kindly press the subscribe button and the bell icon to get notified when we post a new video. Kyrie Irving has an amazing career in the basketball world for sure. However, his career has been surrounded by controversies. In one of his most popular controversial statements, Kyrie Irving stated that he cannot confidently say if the earth is round or flat. In a podcast appearance in Road Trippin', Kyrie stated that the earth is flat. He doubled down on his flat earth comment by saying, since there is no real picture of the earth and we have not been to the moon since the 1970s, the acceptance of round earth seems like a conspiracy theory. Kyrie Irving told Hayden Bird of Boston.com, the earth is flat, we can all see it, you can see it. In September of the same year, Kyrie Irving explained the reason behind his belief in an appearance on a radio program. He stated that the media has been controlling narratives about every issue, and the time to begin to have open and honest conversations about issues is now. The flat earth theory is not strange. Kyrie Irving is not the only celebrity that has publicly affirmed the round earth theory. Other celebrities such as George Bernard Shaw and rapper B.O.B. have all thrown their support for the flat earth theory. The flat earth theory proponents believe in the notion that the earth is flat. According to them, it is a half-truth that is promoted and sanctioned by governments. Regardless of the beliefs of Kyrie Irving or any other person, the consensus amongst the scientific community and various studies favors a round earth theory. Due to this, the flat earth theory has become a very wild conspiracy theory. During the COVID-19 pandemic, Kyrie Irving became an overnight activist. Popular Republican figures such as Donald Trump and Ted Cruz have thrown their full weight and support for him. Although there are other anti-vaxxers in the NBA league, Kyrie Irving is the most popular and outspoken among them. When asked why he won't take the COVID-19 vaccines, Kyrie replied that it is for his privacy. He stated that people should note that he is a human first before the person Kyrie people know as a basketball star. Kyrie Irving received wide criticism from the media for his anti-vaccine stance. ESPN host Stephen Smith harshly criticized Kyrie on a CNN show, telling him to go to hell for being defiant and keeping his team behind. In his continuous defiance, Kyrie Irving launched a $1.5 million fund to support other players who will not take the vaccine. He planned to fund the players for the period in which they will not receive payments for defending their medical privacy or other issues that may affect their play during the games. No other controversy has done more damage to Kyrie's basketball career than the recent anti-Semitic movie he promoted. Even though he is normally a controversial figure, his recent actions sealed the deal in his game of scandals. The foray of Irving's comments into the mainstream began when Rolling Stone magazine did a commentary on the movie. Rolling Stone magazine identified many anti-Semitic sections in the movie, as well as celebrities like Kyrie Irving promoting it. Kyrie Irving posted a link to an anti-Semitic movie via his Twitter and Instagram page. A week after posting the movie, Kyrie Irving doubled down on his actions in various media appearances instead of apologizing for the offensive post. The film Kyrie posted was a Black American movie, Hebrew to Negroes, Wake Up Black America, a 2018 movie that described Jewish people as devils. Not only did Irving post this movie on his page, he also posted the Amazon rental page of the movie without comment or caption. Since posting this link, Kyrie Irving has received backlash from both Jewish and non-Jewish communities, and of course, also the media. Many critics described his behavior as unacceptable, saying that the NBA should have known better. A week after Kyrie Irving posted the anti-Semitic link, the NBA and his home team released statements condemning anti-Semitism without referring to Kyrie Irving or his actions. However, a few days later, he was suspended by both his team and the NBA and would not be allowed to play at least 5 games. Others have called for a harsher sanction, like a permanent ban from the NBA. Due to the harsh criticisms that followed Kyrie Irving's comments, he has offered a public apology and has denounced any form of anti-Semitism. He declared that he does not hate any particular race or group. Kyrie Irving has since been suspended from the NBA, but several NBA stars and officials are advocating for his return. LeBron James condemned Irving's comment but also believes that since Kyrie Irving has shown remorse for his behavior, he should be allowed back into the team. The NBA commissioner, who is also Jewish, supported LeBron James's stance that Kyrie Irving's suspension should be lifted. Although Kyrie Irving may soon return to play for his team in the NBA, his career will never be the same again. His many controversies have cost him many things that will take years to recover. Among other things Kyrie Irving lost, the biggest is his contract with Nike, which is said to be worth over $200 million. Kyrie had signed a deal with Nike where a signature Kyrie 8 sneakers were to be produced each year. The deal, which has fetched Kyrie Irving millions of dollars, was suspended due to Kyrie's anti-Semitic statements. Kyrie has also dropped from being among the top 5 basketball players to barely being among the top 20, according to ESPN. He has also lost endorsement deals from multiple brands worth millions. As Kyrie Irving's story continues to unfold, we will continue to watch his basketball career to see how he will fare in the next few years. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video and want to see more of it, please support us by clicking the subscribe icon. To give this video more visibility so that others will also see it, please recommend it by pressing the like button. For now, goodbye and see you in the next video.